Hi friends, welcome you all to Moneymax Academy. Today we are going to learn about offset formula. So yesterday we have seen the video about the offset formula. At the time of we can use index formula or offset formula. Index formula is required. It is also including the table row. It is including the table row, but offset it is excluding the table row. That is a different. Excluding the title row or title column. Clear? Now I am repeating once again, what is the offset function? So in this given example, you want to know the salary. You want to know the salary of Meena. So what do you want to know? You want to know the salary of Meena. So we can use the formula offset. What is the reference? So name. What is the rows? Meena is a serial number 5. So we cannot consider the name row. In this offset function, we cannot consider we don't want to consider the name row. So what is the serial number of Meena? 5. What do you want to know? You want to know the department, you can put 1. You want to know the salary, you can put 2. So you can put 2 for salary. So 25,000 is the salary. So this is the offset function we are using. Now offset is used with the multiple function. Sum offset. Suppose you want to know the sum offset. For example, I am giving the table. 3 persons are working in accounts department. Mr. Raja, Miss Mary, and Mr. Vijay. Ajay working in admin, Meena working in MIS, and 4 persons are working in marketing. 1 person doing sales. Now you want to know. Now you want to know the total accounts department. Sum of accounts department. We can use sum easily, but if you want to use the offset function, we can do sum offset. What do you want to know? Accounts department total salary, how much is? Totally 74,000. You want to know the salary of accounts department. Okay, now you can use sum offset. So we are going to make a sum of salary, but using the offset function. Now say same. What do you want to know? Name, reference. You can click like this. Number 1, and then you want to know the rows and column. What is the rows you want to know? So you have to start it from the row first. So you have to give row number first. What is the column you want to know? Salary column. So you can give department first column, salary second column. This is the normal offset function, but you want to know the sum. You want to know the sum of accounts. So what do you want to know? So you have to start at your starting number is Raja, and then you want to know the total. How many rows you want to add? Height. How many rows? Height. It means height. So first row, second row, and third row. So we have to give 3. And then how many columns? So you want to make a sum of salary. So first column, second column. So close it. We can get a salary of 74,000. This is the sum offset function. Clear? Now I want to repeat once again for making this example. Please listen carefully. I want to know that sum of marketing person 1,17,000. What is the total salary of marketing person? Okay. Now I can use the sum offset. Sum offset. What is the offset? Reference. You want to know the first reference is name. So you can select the reference number 1, and then you have to give the rows. How many rows you want to start? Where do you want to start? From Anbu. where it is sixth row. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So you have to start from sixth, and then you have to end with salary. So you want to know about the salary. So second column, because name column don't want to consider. Department first column, salary second column, over. Now you want to make a sum offset. You want to make the sum for the salary. So what you want to know? You have to give the height and then width. Height means row. How many rows you want to add? So you already selected, you are in a sixth row. How many rows you want to add? First, second, third, four rows you have to add. So four. The same, you want to know, you want to sum up what, sum for what? Salary. So again you have to give the two column with this two. So close with the double bracket, you can get 1,17,000 salary. So this is the use of sum offset function. This will be very helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video. We will see you in the next video, friends. Thank you so much.